what this is?
It's an apple.
Can you guess what this is?
A banana.
Can you guess what this is?
A watermelon.
Can you guess what this is?
Grapes.
Can you guess what this is?
Strawberry.
Can you guess what this is?
A pineapple.
Can you guess what this is?
An orange.
Can you guess what this is?
Avocado.
Can you guess what this is?
Blueberries.
Can you guess what this is?
Kiwi.
Can you guess what this is?
Mango.
Can you guess what this is?
Papaya.
Can you guess what this is?
Cherries.
Can you guess what this is?
Guava.
Can you guess what this is?
Pomegranate.
Can you guess what this is?
Dragon fruit.
Can you guess what this is?
Lychee.
Can you guess what this is?
Pear.
Can you guess what this is?
Plum.
Can you guess what this is?
Raspberry.
Can you guess what this is?
Coconut.
Can you guess what this is?
Lime.
Can you guess what this is?
Star fruit.
Can you guess what this is?
Fig.
Can you guess what this is?
Date.
Can you guess what this is?
Persimmon.
Can you guess what this is?
Custard apple.
Can you guess what this is?
Blackberries.
Can you guess what this is?
Passion fruit.
Can you guess what this is?
Honeydew.
Can you guess what this is?
Cranberry.
Can you guess what this is?
Pomelo.
Can you guess what this is?
Jackfruit.
Can you guess what this is?
Jujube.
Can you guess what this is?
Soursop.
Can you guess what this is?
Bilberry.
Can you guess what this is? Rose apple. Can you guess what this is?
Ackee.
Can you guess what this is?
Increase.
Can you guess what this is?
Lemon.
Can you guess what this is?
Cantaloupe.
Can you guess what this is?
Tamarind.
Can you guess what this is?
Olive.
Can you guess what this is?
Green.
Can you guess what this is?
Longan.
Can you guess what this is?
Chicory.
Can you guess what this is?
Apricot.
Can you guess what this is?
Mulberries.
Can you guess what this is?
Rambutan.
Can you guess what this is? Green apple.
I'm yellow and I bend. Monkeys love me. I'm your fruity friend. What am I?
Banana.
I fly without wings. I cry without eyes. Whenever I go, the ground gets wet. What am I?
Cloud. Rain.
I have a face and two hands, but I don't clap or smile where I stand. What am I?
Clock.
I go up and down but never move. I help you move with every groove. What am I?
Stairs.
I'm tall when I'm young and short when I'm old. I shine brightly, or so I'm told. What am I?
Candle.
I quack and waddle, I like to splash. I swim in ponds, then make a dash. What am I?
Duck.
I'm cold and sweet, a summer delight. Eat me fast before I melt from sight. What am I?
Ice cream.
I twinkle high up in the night. I'm not a diamond, but I shine bright. What am I?
Star.
You wear me on your feet all day. I come in pairs and help you play. What am I?
Shoes.
I can hop and I can leap. I go ribbit and I don't sleep. What am I?